Good morning, my name is Matthew and I'm with the global marketing team at FocalScope. Today I'm going to discuss FocalScope Accelerators and walk us through the process of setting one up. FocalScope's accelerators allow its users to select data or text from within the FocalScope interface and do a lookup through an external website or application with a simple right-click and drop-down menu. Possibilities for accelerators are endless, but some of the more common uses include integrating data and text in FocalScope with FedEx, DHL, or UPS shipment tracking websites, customer relationship management software such as Microsoft Dynamics CRM, Salesforce, Sugar CRM, ERP solutions such as Navision and SAP, and global distribution systems such as Amadeus, Sabre, Abacus, and others. Let's run through a very simple and common example of an accelerator for Google Translate. For users on our system, such as Jason, we have already set up an accelerator for the team to easily translate non-English text. This accelerator utilizes the free and accurate API for Google Translate. Let's go log into Jason's account using his username, Jason, and his password. After logging in, we'll be in Jason's workspace. We'll immediately notice that Jason has an email in his personal folder. Let's go to his personal folder and click on the inbox. We're immediately presented with an email named Factura. After clicking on the email, we'll see the text below. This email is in Danish, and though Jason handles the Danish market, he doesn't speak the language. But not to worry, this is where the accelerator truly shines. Jason will just select all the text in the email and then right-click on it. In the drop-down menu, we'll see the selection available for Google Translate. Select it and let the magic begin. A new FocalScope window will pop up with the Google Translate interface. The text that we have selected will automatically be populated into the text box in the website. Google Translate identifies the language instantaneously and automatically, giving Jason the English translation. It appears that John Smith is asking for an invoice he didn't receive. Not a problem. Jason just closes this accelerator window and gets to work on this new task for John. Setting up an accelerator is quick and easy, but we will need to have a basic working knowledge of Windows Shell command scripts. We'll now go to see where we can create these accelerators for future use. Since Jason does not have system administration privileges, let's log out of Jason's account by going to the screen menu and the uppermost toolbar and select Logout. Then select Login from the message box. Let's log in as user root with a password that we selected in the installation process. We'll immediately find ourselves in root's workspace, but we need to be in the administration screen. Let's go to the uppermost toolbar, select Screen, and then select Administration from the drop-down menu. Finally, we'll be in root's administration screen. In the left pane, scroll down to the Global Configuration folder, open it, and lastly select Thin Client and Accelerators. Click on that item. The properties will then appear in the right pane. We'll see the location where we can configure text accelerators. We'll also see that Google Translate has already been configured. If we want to create a new accelerator, we need to give it a name in the item name field and then give it a prescribed command line in the command line field. The buttons to the right also allow us to add another accelerator by pressing the plus button, delete an accelerator by pressing the X, or change the accelerator's positions in the drop-down menu by selecting the up arrow or the down arrow. You can insert the selection placeholder into any command line to use the text selected within FocalScope. Try FocalScope today to find out how accelerators can help drive productivity and add powerful tools for your help desk team. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions about FocalScope accelerators, please contact your FocalScope representative or visit us directly at www.focalscope.com. We are always working on new and innovative ways to improve FocalScope's functionality and experience for our users. We welcome your suggestions. Thank you for your time and interest in FocalScope.